everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at 49 Gainsborough Crescent in Peregian Springs. This turnkey property has been tastefully renovated and offers a flexible floor plan with 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 separate living areas. My favourite part of the home is the new eye-catching modern kitchen. Fully equipped to cater for a large family or entertaining with friends, there has been significant thought that has gone into its design. Leading out from the kitchen is the north-facing lounge, which flows onto the undercover entertaining. The block is a low-maintenance, 525 square metres, but there is a lot packed in. Edible gardens line one side of the house, with a grassy play area for pets or kids on the other side. This area could also be used for a pool. The north aspect is perfect for private outdoor dining with plenty of room under cover. Thanks so much for watching. This home has a lot of extra features that you need to come and see for yourself. For those overseas and interstate, we're more than happy to walk you through virtually. I'm Joel Hood, and I look forward to seeing you soon.